Hello Monica ji, namaste to all. Thank you so much. Today you asked me to speak on the topic, like you have really touched my raw nerve, because I really feel very sensitive towards this topic, because this is the need of the hour. And one of the biggest disappointments I see in the parents' eyes is when the child shows no signs of gratitude for everything that the parents are doing for them. I wake up early in the morning to cook lunch for his school, forget thank you, he doesn't even eat it. This is what every mother says today. Father, on the other hand, says, I don't have a nice suit to wear in functions. I saved money so that my daughter can go to her singing classes, and now she tells me that I don't take care of her. My wife, my in-laws, everybody was fighting with me that I should not buy my phone. Sometimes it happens with mother who says that yes, your father, my husband was not ready to give you such things, but I did it for you, I did it for my child, because I did it for my child's happiness. And now when I ask him to leave that phone during examinations, he is fighting with me, forget acknowledging what I did for him. He doesn't even have time to talk to me. So these have really become a very common kind of conversation amongst parents when they are so much dissatisfied. I work all the day for these children. I cook for them. I clean their room. I drop them to school, pick them up, take them to shopping, everything. And when I ask them to do one thing for me, that they just say no, just like that. Mama, I am busy, or Papa, I am busy. Why should I have to fight every time I need to get something done? Everything he needs, sometimes something becomes all sweet and chatty. Papa, this, I want this, or Mama, I want this, get me this. But after the need is fulfilled, doesn't even look at me. This is commonly said by parents. I come home from work, I can't even sit with him, he doesn't have time to spend with me for 10 minutes, and I am just a earning machine for him. What's common in these examples? What is common that is happening in every family? The common thing that comes out is parents do so much for the children, but the child shows no acknowledgement, neither through their words nor actions. And then, how do parents deal with this? They are sulk, they fight, they become stubborn sometimes. Can't they see it themselves? I mean, if I have to ask them and then they do something nice, then it's of no value. We don't want to beg for their attention. They should do it themselves. Okay, you won't ask. They are not doing it on their own. Then what is the solution? Keep getting disappointment and give up. Well, not so soon. I have some suggestions for all. If I could tell you really, I mean it, the single most important psychological trait or state which can contribute to individual and interpersonal well-being, it would be gratitude. If you want to be happy yourself, if you want a happy child, if you want happy relationships, there's probably nothing more important than gratefulness or thankfulness that we need to teach our children today. And I speak of this from deep personal experiences. This has transformed my experience of relationships and life. This has transformed my experience as a mentor, as an educationist, as a mother as well. You teach your children how to use the bathroom. You teach them language. You teach them how to count. You teach them how to be grateful to people as well. It's on that level. It's not on the level of taking notebooks or books or academics only in the hand. It's that important. It's an absolute tragedy that we don't even know how enormously important this factor is. And we just hope that the child will develop gratitude on their own. No, they will not. It is a tragedy that we virtually leave it to luck. देखा जाएगा बच्चे जब बड़े होंगे. No. Would you do the same thing for mathematics? Oh, percentages and fractions. Why we should have to teach them? Let her learn percentage and fractions on their own. Why should we teach them history? Let them learn on their own. No, we teach them. We prepare them. Then why not gratitude? Why leaving gratitude to let them learn on their own? If you ask me the secrets to happiness, really the first that comes to my mind is gratitude. So please make it part of your parenting curriculum as well. And how to do is Let us discuss few ideas today. First, learn to be grateful yourself. If you can't do it yourself, try teaching them. But children are very good at spotting hypocrisy. Do remember, if at your house you talk of not being grateful to your parents, you cannot expect your children to do that. So, and you cannot make them understand what you say them till you do not prove them with your actions at home. So, at your home, when you talk, do talk that you are grateful to your parents. It may be sometimes your relationships may matter, but still make your children understand that you respect your parents, you are grateful to them. Second, interpersonal gratitude is partly dependent on empathy. Unless they actually know the cost you are paying for their lives, unless they can look at your difficulties from your perspectives, they won't actually understand the depth of what you are going through for them. So, we will have to tell them explicitly that everything what we are doing, we are going through so many challenges, we are doing for their sake. If I woke up too early for them, I am feeling drowsy the whole day. If you are suppressing your own desires to save money for them, if you are fighting with other people to defend them, if you are sacrificing your leisure time for their tasks, for VRs for their tasks, let's talk about it. But yes, the talk has to be presented in a manner which can make us connected to our children. Talk to them. Talk not just about what you're doing, but also about what you're doing, what you're going through inside. Basically, you'll have to educate them about the personal cost you're paying for their sake. This is not about tooting your own horn. This is about filling their blind spots. This is about giving a better reality to them. This is education. This is educating them. But caution, don't do it with an attitude that you are doing them a favor by giving them birth and raising them. We need to take care of this. That attitude is not wise, because despite everything you're doing for them, you started a family for yourself because you thought creating a family is a good way to live life. It's only once they understand the efforts you're making for them, once they have some empathy with your struggles, then that will then become the basis of their thankfulness towards you. That will increase the connectivity. Finally, if you want them to notice your efforts on their own, that also needs to be executed systematically. Sit down with them every day or alternate day or when you sleep, or at least every Sunday, and ask them, in the past 1 week, what are the things that you are thankful for towards me. This may sound like an odd question, as if you're forcefully trying to get compliments, but remember, this is not about you, this is about them. They need to sit and think. In summary, make gratitude the religion of the house. Practice it yourself and teach it to your children consistently. And I think this would work. Let me know in the comments the issues that you are dealing with your children. I would love to speak on these, to discuss, to take your suggestions as well as to share mine to you. Thank you. Namaskar.